This is Abigail Barella with Sparkle and Shine Guidance, and this is your Pisces new moon oracle. And I wanted to share with you, this is a very magical new moon. First of all, because it's in Pisces, and Pisces is the last of the zodiac signs. So when we're in that very last sign, it's a mutable sign, and there's a lot of changes occurring. So when we have a new moon, this capability to set new intention during a time where there's so much tremendous change happening, it's very exciting. And the fact that Mercury is retrograde during this time means that all the changes are occurring within. All the changes are happening on the interior. And this is also because Pisces is a water sign, Pisces is a feminine sign. So we have a big push towards doing that deeper inner yin work that's subtle but creates the most lasting and most fruitful change. If we think about the changes that occur during a pregnancy, it's all happening in those deep waters of the womb. We don't really see what's happening, but the end result is so beautiful, right? This beautiful baby. And that's similar to what we're experiencing. People might look at you and not notice that there's all these changes happening. We might look at somebody else and not know that there's all these beautiful, wondrous changes happening, but they're still happening. And so at this Mercury retrograde time, when we're being asked to review, revisit, reorient, reevaluate, all the just like re-inventory that's happening, reprocessing. And with the Mercury retrograde being in Pisces, Pisces is those deepest waters, so our deep subconscious wiring has the possibility to shift and change, and that's powerful. So even though you might experience some hiccups and some slowing down, it's for a purpose. And there's this deep DNA, cellular, ancestral changes that are occurring, and that's super powerful. So I want to just let you know that these hiccups, these whatever experience you're having with challenge and with issues that are coming up, really look at the deeper message, really go deep with this. And this is why this is a great time to do intuitive healing work that I offer. Any kind of healing work that you can get at this time is going to be extra potent because the capability to go so deep is there. So at this new moon, definitely sow those seeds of change, sow those seeds where you want to see yourself grow into. During this lunar cycle, we will have the full moon on March 9th in Virgo that is ruled by Mercury, and then we'll have Mercury going direct on that same day. So this is a very potent moon cycle, and that's why it's a great time to work with your healers. And if you want to book with me, I'll post the link below. I do both intuitive healing work and astrological chart readings, so both of those. So if you wanted to book either one of those, reach out. The other powerful thing that's happening is we have this communication happening with Uranus over in Taurus and Mars over in Capricorn. So this is all feminine. This is all yin energy. I just want to affirm for you guys that this is all feminine. So when we have this trine between Uranus and Mars in earth signs, the work is there for us to move through. It's actually an ease point. A trine is showing you kind of like, here you go. You asked for something, here you go. So this is a very fertile, the fertile ground is like the water and the earth together, creating that possibility for lasting change. So set your intentions high at this time period. We have all of this Capricorn and all of this Pisces happening, and those two together sextile each other. And so there's just a lot of ease with this new moon. And with that also comes the possibility to really dig deeper into the work that you need to do, because everything else is creating the stage, setting the stage for that. We also have Neptune in Pisces, making it a very spiritual new moon, making it a very fertile time to tap into spirituality, tap into your deeper roots. The other thing that's really interesting is we have that North Node over in Cancer trining this as well. And that trine is very strong as well, because these are the last few lunar cycles with the North Node in Cancer. So Cancer is trying to make sure we do all that self-nurturing, we do all that nurturing of our children and of our community and of ourselves, so that we're ready to do that speedier mercurial North Node that we're going to have in May, when the North Node shifts into Gemini. So right now is the time to nurture, do that yin work, that slowing down, and really, journaling, doing that inner work. I don't have my planner right here, but like the planner is really great for that. And I still have those available, and they're on sale at my website. So definitely get yours if you haven't already. 2020 was my muse, and people are saying like, this astrology is crazy. And it's like, yeah, that's why I made the planner, so you can work with it and get the most out of it, instead of seeing it as a hindrance to you, actually learning how to use it as to propel you forward. So really looking at your goals for 2020 and looking at this lunar cycle is the possibility for major shifts and changes to those goals, to getting closer to those goals. And if you want to work together, reach out. Have a beautiful new moon. I didn't say when it is or what it's. It's February 23rd at 7:31 Pacific Standard Time, and it's at 4 degrees of Pisces. So look at where 4 degrees of Pisces is for you to get more information about where you're wanting to set new goals and sow these seeds for this lunar cycle. It's going to give you good information about that. All right, have a great day, guys.